Hey everyone, in this short video I'm going to show a quick before and after of a water damage carpet repair that I'm putting back together in Granite Bay, California. And this is a rather large one. It looks like it was a master bathroom that had water damage and it just flooded the surrounding areas. So I have three areas to repair. The first one was the office. This is part of the master bedroom, and then I have a master closet to put back together. And this is after everything is put back together. And sorry I couldn't get more footage. I've been really sick for about 2 weeks now, so on larger jobs like this, I really just want to focus on the work and get out. Because if you're a small business owner yourself, you know you don't take sick days, and you can't have somebody cover you on your jobs most of the time, so you just got to get it done. But overall, this job wasn't that difficult. Luckily, they pulled the carpet back enough to where I wasn't having a hard time with the padding. I did have to glue the tack strip because the concrete was busted up, but overall I think it turned out good. So thanks for watching, and we'll see what happens next on the next one.